Hello! So today we're going to start talking about the changes when Forever pushed out what they're calling their Forever 3.0 update on the site. So on this front page that you see here, not a whole lot changed. And I think a few things might change over time, so you might see some more changes coming after this video, but this is going to help you at least get through and find what you need. So from the front page here, everything looks pretty similar. You've got this menu that's been up here previously. Remember, you always want to remember that deals page because it's going to show you what all the coupon codes are and the specials are currently for that date. I look at that all the time. And then up here along this bar we had links before that said library, albums, tags, and connections, and now you can see there's a change. The library is now called the gallery, and we're going to talk about that in the next video. And then there's also this people link, which I'm going to talk about in at least one, but maybe several separate videos, because that is all related to the new facial recognition, which is a completely it's an add-on service. So anyway, but as it goes, most of the navigation from this front page is pretty much the same. And in the past, I have mentioned this is what became tricky for me. If you're on this front page, you still want to hover over your little profile icon to get the links that are over here. Okay, but in a different part of this training, you're going to find out that that has changed in some areas. So I also wanted to show you that some of the pages are starting to change. So if you look at, like, I'm going to click on Digitize here, you'll notice when I bring up this page, it's got this nice, huge, beautiful graphic here, but there's like no links at the top. So how do I get back to the rest of the site? And the way you do that, you always look for this Forever logo up here. So no matter where you are in the site, if you need to get back to the home page, you click on that and it takes you back here. Now, not all of these pages have changed that way so far. So if I go to preserve and share, that link is still there across the top, the menu, I mean. And for the rest of these, it's similarly still there. But I have a feeling as we go forward, you might find that this menu disappears up here. And anytime you don't see a menu at the top to get you back to where you wanted to go, always just click on this Forever icon and it will take you there. One other thing, like if you get to somewhere like the blog, this is actually kind of a separate little space for the blog, so you don't have that same menu at the top again. It's got different blog category menus here. But if you want to get back to the main site, you need to come over here where it says forever.com and go there, and then you'll be back on the main page again, which is still pretty similar. And so that's the main navigation issue. The other thing that I'm going to say about navigating, I'm going to click on the gallery here, which used to be our library, and just remember that this is where the rest of the navigation really changed. And I'm going to go through how to use the gallery here in just a moment, but you'll notice that all of the navigation, once you go into the gallery or the albums or the tags or whatever, it has moved over to this left-hand side. That's really part of the 3.0 update that they did. And the other thing you'll notice for navigation, once you get into either the gallery or the album or wherever, is that over here on the right-hand side, my profile icon changed to actually my profile, my face, my picture that I put on my profile. It's not that little, avatar that doesn't look like anybody. And you'll also notice that if I click on that now, I get my menu. I don't have to hover, I click, but only when I'm in here and seeing things in this setup, because this is the updated framework. The rest of the site, not all of it is at this same level of updatedness, but it will be potentially in the future. So just remember that if you're seeing, your facial profile icon, you can click on it and get to everything that you need there. That's still the same menu, just with updated icons in it. And when I'm here in the gallery and I want to go back to the main home page, because maybe I want to go see the deals or whatever, I'm going to click on the Forever icon up here in the top left to take me back there. So that's just a little short and sweet video on how to get around in here so that you don't go, oh my goodness, I'm stuck and I don't know how to get where I need to go. So next I will be talking to you about the gallery, so see you soon.